Welcome. This is the first of several videos that I'm going to produce with Camtasia to show you some technical issues in setting up your website. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to become familiar with your own control panel or cPanel. Now in my hosting, which I use HostGator, to do that, what you do is up in your domain name, globalreveal.com is mine, after the /, you simply type cPanel and then hit enter, and that's going to ask you for your username and password. Well, your username is probably the first 8 letters of your domain name. It may or may not be. Again, make sure when you gotten an email after your hosting site was set up, that should have given you your username, and you should also know what your password is. If not, then you'll need to find out what it is. In any case, I've already been into my cPanel before, so this was already saved for me. So I have global RE and then my password, and I go ahead and click OK, and that takes me to the main page of the cPanel. The first thing you're gonna, well, I'll just start here, and we'll look at what's on the left-hand side. You just have some general information about what your hosting plan contains, and then farther down you have more information about what the specifics are of the operating system. You can see that I'm using Linux hosting, and got PHP version 5.2.6. That's not bad. And then over here in the right, what we have is a bunch of icons that take us to the various features that we're going to be using. And the first thing I'm going to show you in the next video is how to set up your email account. So we're going to be going to this mail icon. But you're also going to want to become familiar with all of these different things. Well, not all of them, but at least know which ones you're going to need to be aware of to be able to get to them. I'll probably produce another video at some point about subdomains and parked domains and add-on domains, and you can see that currently we have none of them set up here yet, but I'll talk about what they're all about. They're kind of useful. And I'm going to be producing still more videos where we go into Fantastico to use some plugins. One of the videos that I'm going to produce will have you show you how to create a blog on your site. Very, very nice feature there. So anyway, I just want you to get familiar with your control panel and not be afraid to come into it from time to time. When it comes time to log out, you just click on log out, and that logs you off. To get back in, you can just click on this again, ask you for your username and password, click OK, and you're right back to where you were. So that's all I have for this initial training, and stay tuned for many, many more.